when we come to special projects, well, we have to learn, and that's what we have done right here with NAUTITEC.
The project is to bring floating ships parts from Rostock to Papenburg to the Meyer yard, and our part is from the Wester Ems to Papenburg into the yard.
To be quite honest, we haven't been very happy when we learned about the project, because every time when a pilot has to learn something about going beyond borders, we are, let's say it this way, Panama Canal and the Suez Canal, they have half of the traffic that we are facing every year. So we have about 35,000 passengers per year.
Yeah, we worked out the simulation, we developed the tugboats according to plans, we developed the Kaskos according to the plan of the Meyer shipyard. We brought it all together with environmental data and the sea areas which were developed here by our naval architect. So we approached the pilots, the authorities in the Kiel Canal, as well as KOTUG, to assist in the tug matters and give us consultancy in respect to tugboats.
Yeah, training simulating, it's especially in a transport like this, it's very important that you can see what's going on. You can see in the future.
Well, the problem is it's always a legal problem. When we are exceeding limits, you know, we have to follow some legal restrictions, and the decision just to go beyond borders, that is not an easy decision.
During the simulations, we decided that the rotor tug is the best option for this maneuver, especially through the locks of the Kiel Canal. We only have to give extra RPMs on the thrusters, especially in the Kiel Canal locks in Prins Buttel. The space we have is 2 meters, so it's very important to limit the reaction time.
Most or biggest problem is wind, and when you have such a big Kasko with 2 tugs, one forward and one on the aft end, and you have the wind from the wrong side, you're facing problems, because the whole thing can drift, and then with the limitation of the surface that you have, you can have problems.
And aft tug, give him a tendency to the starboard side, to the north side, please.
Okay. There are many difficulties. Mostly in the beam of this Kaskos. We knew from the first moment that we need a good and strong team to find out if it's possible or not.
When we started here with NAUTITEC, we haven't had too many experiences with over-width cargo, and so we had to learn about the size, the dimensions, and what we can do with, let's say, KOTUG tugs, with tractor tugs, etc.
The towage plan is a plan that describes from A to Z everything we're going to do. So that's from the maneuvers itself, but also where the people are, what communication channels we use.
The experience said we need small tugs on our river due to the draft with maximum capacity, and the family business Bijma is doing a very good job in this way.
Normally, we as pilots, we instruct captains to follow our advice. And that was a real good experience to work together with very skilled captains on board of the tugboats. It was a very important experience, I think, for everyone.
Forward tug, 45 degrees to starboard, 20%.
Yeah, it's not only a tugboat company and a simulator provider. It's also a team of experts. And these are clearly the pilots of the Kiel Canal as well as the pilots on the River Ems.
What we learned here was the training here at NAUTITEC here in Meyer was that even with the limitations of Kiel Canal, it is possible. Together with, let's say, with a strong team that we can face real big problems. And we are very satisfied with that we are part of this team.
That's what we believe is the strong side of NAUTITEC, to bring partners together in consulting and in business.
Very satisfied. So that was very good prepared and very good tug and tow handling by the tugboat company. The preparation of NAUTITEC was excellent. So we can do that as long they're fitting in the locks. I guess we can do that all the time.
Your exercise has been suspended while the